So update on my previous video, right? So I said on my previous video, I said BTC was going to be buying, which has currently just happened right now. As you can see, this is the trade. This move happened yesterday, but I didn't get to catch it. This move happened yesterday, but I didn't get to catch it because I said I was going to buy, get a new Profile account, but which I haven't. So because yesterday I was very busy yesterday, so I didn't even get the chance to look at my phone. So right now, as you can see, BTC is currently bullish. We are aiming for this target right here. We are aiming for that target right here. Trading the ICC strategy, which is an indication. This is the correction, and that's the continuation. Right. So I said on my previous video, if you go watch that video, I said BTC was going to be buying. You were looking for this level not to be taken out. BTC was going to be buying. I said I was looking for buys. Right. So which, if I was going to take this trade, this would have been this would have been my entry right here. So this would have been my entry right here. Then my stop loss below this previous level, targeting this previous high, which is this high right here. So that's what I would have done, but unfortunately I missed the trade. I mean, it is what it is. So I also broke down Gbpusd, which I said Gbpusd was bullish, and we're gonna be looking for buys. So BTC-USD, when you go to the forward time, let me go to the forward time frame so you guys can see. So you guys can see clearly, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, I said if buyers really do want to continue with this trend, you are going to hold support right here, aiming looking out for this previous low as well, not to be taken out. Then we'll be targeting for this high, which is 1.36355 level, which is this previous high right here. So we'll be targeting for this previous high, but right now Gbpusd is not really I think right now what Gbpusd is doing is that he wants to, let me remove that guy. So I think right now what Gbpusd wants to do is trying to hold support. As you can see, we already have equal lows right here. We have lower low, lower high, equal lows. Then this is a new high. I think what Gbpusd wants to do right now is just to pull. He's trying to pull back. Then if it holds support, like when this current movement pulls back, failing to break this level, then looking at price breaking above this previous zone, above this zone right here, we are going to be targeting this level as our take profit. That will be the entry. This level will be the entry. If buyers hold that support, then we're going to be targeting this level as our take profit. But if that level gets broken, then we'll be targeting for this level right there. But right now, all you have to wait for on Gbpusd is just looking at buyers to hold this level as a support, because anything can happen. I mean, it can still break this level, try to hold support around this zone right here before it will continue the move, right? So it's all game of probability. All you have to do is just wait for that entry and take the trade. But as you can see, we have the indication right here, which is price breaking above that previous high. This is the correction, then this is the continuation. Hitting previous low, we hit the target, price hit the target, and this is a new indication. Then this is the correction happening right now, looking for buyers to hold that level as a support. So that's what we'll be looking at for Gbpusd. Then as for XAUUSD, which is gold, we are looking out for gold too. On my previous video, I also said gold was going to be selling from this level, which which sellers held that level as a resistance though, but fortunately it didn't get to hold successfully. So we broke that previous low, giving us a bullish indication. Now this is price pulling back, but what I don't understand right now is just sellers breaking above this previous low. But I later got to notice that if you check, we had a new indication right here. This is the correction and this is the continuation, right? Because I said before yesterday when I broke down this trade, I said when I broke down SAUUSD, I said gold was going to be selling, right? But right now I think my bias has changed, because as you can see, we had a range right here. Price got to break that range successfully, giving us a new high. This is the correction, giving us a higher low, failing to break this previous low. As you can see, let me see, failing to break this previous low. Then this is the continuation. We already hit target, right? That's the target right there. We already hit target, giving us a continuation. Now this is what gold is doing right now. It's just what gold is doing right now is just sellers trying to take control of the trend, right? As you can see, buyers failed to break this previous high, which signifies that the buyers do not want to continue with that trend anymore, so sellers will not have to come in, right? So what we have right now is just price giving us a bearish indication. Let me cancel. So what sellers are just trying to do right now is giving us a new bearish indication. Let me delete these ones. Delete this one. So as it's just trying to give us a bearish indication, which is this right here. So we'll be having a bearish indication, maybe then we'll have that pullback, which will be the correction, then the continuation. So all we have to do is just watch out, man. It's a game of probability, anything can happen. So that'll be all for now, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on the Profim account I also want to get. So please like, share and subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Let's go.